In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates for Pipedrive automations in 3 minutes. If you want to save time and keep your sales process consistent, templates are a great way to set up proven workflows without building everything from scratch. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share helpful context so you know why each step matters. Start by looking at the left sidebar in your Pipedrive workspace. Find the three dots icon. This opens the extended menu. Click on the three dots icon on the left bar, then select Automations. This takes you to the Automations area where you can see what's already running, and, more importantly for today, where you can browse ready-made templates designed for common sales tasks. Next, head to the Templates tab and choose a template. You'll see options that cover typical scenarios, like creating activities when a deal is added, moving deals through stages automatically, or sending emails after specific triggers. Pick a template that closely matches what you want to streamline. If you're unsure, start with a basic one so you can learn the flow and expand later. Once you selected a template, click Preview and click Continue. The preview helps you understand what the automation will do before you commit, including its trigger and actions. Now enter the details of the fields necessary to get your automation running. These fields usually include things like which pipeline or stage to watch, who the owner should be, when to schedule an activity, or which email template to send. Fill in each required field carefully. Use clear names so you can recognize the automation later. If there's a condition or trigger option, choose the one that reflects exactly when you want the automation to fire, such as when a new deal is created, a stage changes, or a contact is updated. Double-check any email sender details and placeholders so messages personalize correctly. If you see options for delays or timing, make sure they fit your workflow and time zone. When everything looks right, confirm the settings to apply the template with your choices. And there you go. That's all. You've used a Pipedrive automation template to set up a working workflow in just a few clicks. Templates are flexible, so you can revisit them anytime to fine-tune fields as your process evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with your new automation.